If you're choosing between YNAB, you need a budget, and EveryDollar for budgeting in 2025, both apps push zero-based budgeting, assigning every dollar a purpose, but they differ in approach and depth. YNAB, a favorite since 2004, is a robust tool for transforming your financial habits. Priced at $14.99 or $99 it syncs with banks, offers real-time tracking, and provides detailed reports on net worth and spending. Its 4 rules method encourages proactive planning, like aging your money to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Users love its educational resources and 4.85 app ratings, but the cost and learning curve can deter beginners. EveryDollar from Dave Ramsey keeps things simpler. Its free version supports manual budgeting, perfect for those who like control, while the premium plan, $79.99 adds bank syncing and group coaching. It's intuitive, with 3.55 ratings, but lacks YNAB's advanced analytics and flexibility for complex finances. YNAB shines for long-term wealth building and tech-savvy users. EveryDollar suits budgeters wanting simplicity or Ramsey's debt-free philosophy. Pick YNAB for depth and guidance, EveryDollar for free or low-cost ease. What's your financial goal, mastery or minimalism?